Are you looking for the best RC airplanes? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best RC airplanes on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Top Race 3-channel RC plane. We can't all be pilots, but that's no reason why you shouldn't be flying a plane. This easy and ready-to-fly plane is great for adults and kids who have experience with RC planes. It's upgraded with a new propeller saver technology, TRC-285G, that saves it from damage and also comes with 3 spare propellers. It features an 8mm coreless motor, 2.4 GHz radio transmission frequency with a control range of over 320 feet. It features a propeller, rudder, and elevator and simulates an actual flying experience. It can also be used on the ground to its takeoff spot by controlling the propeller and moving the throttle right or left. It flies at 3 speeds, beginner, intermediate, and expert. With a length and wingspan of 14 inches each, it's easy to carry outdoors, and has 2 batteries included. Watch this testing video to get more information about this flying toy. Batteries: 1 lithium polymer batteries required, item weight, 1.4 pounds, material, PP, item weight, 1.4 pounds. Number 2. FMS Remote Control Airplane, F4U Corsair. Inspired by the 18-cylinder engine Vought F4U fighter aircraft, the FMS Corsair V2 is a suitable gift for collectors and aviation enthusiasts. Featuring a sturdy EPO foam construction, this lightweight and easy-to-control FMS airplane can be maneuvered through a 4-channel radio frequency. The F4U Corsair sports a 4-blade propeller, missiles, fuel tanks, and a hand-painted pilot figure to provide a realistic flying experience to the user. Its upgraded KV1700 brushless motor offers enhanced performance and works 30% faster than the previous versions. It has an improved center of gravity and flies for over 6 minutes with a wingspan of 800 mm, making it suitable for individuals new to the world of RC airplanes. Moreover, its ready-to-fly models include a transmitter, receiver, battery, and charger. Item weight: 4.14 pounds. Number 3. Hawkwork 2CH Remote Control Airplane. Equipped with a gyroscope stabilization system, this flight is more stable and makes it easier to fly. Lightweight and durable, its FPP foam structure allows it to survive even if it does crash a few times, preventing frequent repair and maintenance. Its 2.4 GHz radio control system has a control range of 100 meters that can control the plane in 4 directions: up, down, left, and right. 2 or more planes can fly together without interference in the transmission. The plane takes off after taxiing for 5 to 10 meters on the runway and is easier to maneuver by hand throwing once you have mastered flying. It makes a suitable flight training RC plane for beginners as its 2 300 mAh batteries give you a flying time of about 40 minutes. Here's a review-cum-testing video to help you make an informed decision. Batteries: 3 lithium metal batteries required, item weight, 15.9 ounces, product dimensions, 16.93 by 12.99 by 3.15 inches. Number 4. Volantexrc RC Airplane. Enjoy flying this plane with its Spilot Euro stabilizer and powerful overgrade motor system, which keeps the RC plane stable and makes aerobatic flying possible. It features a 3-level flight control assistance with full assistance for beginners, partial assistance for intermediate flyers, and manual control for experts. It has a 2.4 GHz radio control distance of 656 feet, and its strong, anti-interference capability allows several planes to fly together. The gearbox system provides more power and thrust to increase speed and save batteries power, allowing the plane to fly for about 20 minutes. It features a 10mm coreless motor, and a 3.7V 400 mAh battery, and a 1-key U-turn to prevent the plane from flying away. The propeller saver protects the propeller from damage and prevents the electronic components from overcurrent. This product testing cum review video will help you get a better understanding of the product. Batteries: 2 lithium metal batteries required, item weight, 1.76 ounces, product dimensions, 20.47 by 20.47 by 4.72 inches. Number 5. iHobby Remote Control Airplane. Go for a spin with this 2.4 GHz RC plane for beginners. The transmitter has 2 channels and has a control range of 250 feet. Made of EPP styrofoam, it's durable, strong, and can withstand a few crashes. It features a 3-axis gyroscope inbuilt ESC, which makes this RC plane quite stable and easy to control. This hobby aircraft can take off by both hand throwing and sliding off and is ideal for beginners who would want to take up RC plane flying as a hobby. The plane comes with LiPo rechargeable battery, which needs about 30 minutes to fully charge and gives you a flight time of 15 minutes. Batteries: 1 lithium polymer batteries required. Item weight: 14.4 ounces. Product dimensions: 15.55 by 16.34 by 3.15 inches.